All right, hey YouTube, hey Josh here at Attica Lumber Company. Check this out right here. I want to profile how we're taking out this post you see on this 6-foot porch right here. It was white vinyl wrap, and actually the 4x6 was twisted and it was crooked. So Dan right here, you can see what he's doing here. He's taking out that 4x6. You can see how he's shaping this up here. So this is going to be a little bit different than a freestanding building that we normally profile on the channel right here. But let's take a look at this. Again, a 4x6 vinyl wrap right there. You can see what he did right there. It was a twisted post. So he cut that off right there. And then you can see what he's doing as far as the concrete right there, how that was settled in there. And check out that hole. Let me pan down, kind of give you an idea here. All right, you see that right there? So what he's gonna do, you see how he's got that jacked up here with that 2x6 and that jack bracing up this building right here. And you can see what he's doing here. He's actually gonna take that post as we record right here. He's setting it down here. So this is kind of a unique situation. What do you do if you got a post? And this happens all over the continental United States and overseas as well. But you can see what he's doing here. He framed this out and he's gonna notch that right there. And then he's gonna come back and he's gonna put the white vinyl wrap in. So that's the process on what to do there. All right, so let me go back down here again and share with you the setup on this. So a little bit different, but I know a lot of you folks out there that have porches and you're probably experiencing this, thinking, what in the world, how do I do this? If you're handy, give it a shot. If not, obviously there's probably people in your profile, locale that could do that. So there you go, keep it locked, keep it loaded right here. Comments always welcome. Attica Lumber.